Now we're going to move on. Remember, MSMEs represent 90% of Africa's retail market. Now, with this, we find that the importance to improve their sustainability and also leadership is important. And Anokim Kemboy earlier on spoke to Dr. Ali, who just explained to us a little bit about leadership in MSME development.
And if you're a small organization, you may not have the kind of structure board that holds you accountable. But if you have an advisory board as a CEO, as an entrepreneur, a founder, it helps you to be much more, to optimize the quality of decisions that you make. The second point I would also advise is that you must have a growth mindset. You know, the opposite of a growth mindset is a fixed mindset. You must love learning. You must strike a balance between IG and DG. And when I say IG, I'm not talking about Instagram. I'm talking about instant gratification and delayed gratification. You must have a strategic man whereby you embrace what I call CAP. What does CAP mean? Choices, actions, and positioning. And the choices is about improving the quality of decisions you make, and this is where the advisory board comes in. Then the implementation, ensuring that the team buys into the vision and they are all motivated to push in the right direction. And positioning is, how do you have an edge? How do you stand out? How do you become unique and distinct? How do you have a competitive advantage that's difficult to endure? If you can have all these three, then it's easier for you to scale up, to attract partners that will be potential investors, to attract mentors that will help you grow and improve.
Now, smallholder farmers in Machakos County are crying foul over rising broker